As if getting pimples isn't already annoying enough, you also have to deal with the aftermath of it, scars and marks. Acne scars are stubborn, annoying, and worst of all, unsightly. Whether you wish to opt for cheaper solutions like chemical peels or go for a much costly method like laser treatments, you have a myriad of choices. Best way to get rid of acne scars fast. Welcome back, viewers! Good thing for people who seldom get pimples, and when they do, there are no lasting marks or scars afterward. What about individuals on the other end of the stick then? The ones who get big zits and scars? Our video is here to help you. With dermal fillers, injections, and many more, you can now manage your acne and get rid of acne scars fast. Acne scars versus hyperpigmentation. Acne scarring and post-inflammation hyperpigmentation, or PIH, can both happen after a breakout. The thing is, these two, although used interchangeably by many, are quite different. Therefore, a different approach is also needed to get rid of them. Acne scars often develop within the dermis and are caused by damages to small veins, glands, and tissues surrounding the spots. Meanwhile, PIH is a form of skin pigmentation, a result of skin trauma. It doesn't damage the follicle, thus isn't labeled a true form of scarring. Number 1. Chemical peels. Chemical peels are procedures in which a chemical solution is applied to the skin. Depending on your skin type, acne severity, and scarring, your dermatologist can recommend a type of peel that's best suitable for you. It works by removing the outer layer of skin, resulting in a smoother and more even appearance. Number 2. Laser treatment. Unlike the previous method, laser treatment resurfaces new skin without using chemicals. It works by removing the uppermost layer of the skin to reveal the younger skin cells underneath. Again, this reduces the appearance of scarring and with continued use completely removes the scars. Before we go on, smash that like button, then let's get right back to it. Number 3. Steroid injections. Remember those times when you feel a pimple rearing its ugly head? You can get a steroid shot from your derma that same day. It instantly reduces inflammation and can help thick scars appear softer and flatter. This method is best used for raised scars. Number 4. Dermal filler. Some scars use a filling substance like hyaluronic acid to elevate the areas. As a result, the surface of the skin is more even and the shadows are removed. Today, there are FDA-approved dermal fillers to permanently correct moderate to severely dented acne scars. Dermal fillers are best suited for atrophic scars, albeit many are temporary. Number 5. Microneedling. Microneedling is another highly effective acne scar removal treatment and is also used to reduce signs of aging. The process involves using tiny needles to create micropunctures in the skin. These tiny punctures stimulate cellular renewal, resulting in greater collagen and elastin production. The younger the scars are, the better the results with microneedling. Number 6. Punch excisions. Punch excisions are best for ice pick scars, since using them on rolling or boxcar scars may just create another scar. It's done by numbing up the area and using a tiny device to cut out the scar, then sewing it closed with a tiny stitch. The stitch is removed in less than a week. So, among the professional treatments, which solution is your pick? Share your thoughts with us below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.